How to add motion blur in CapCut on a PC. Hey guys, today we have got a great tutorial for all of you video editors out there. We'll be showing you how to add motion blur in CapCut on your PC. It's such a fantastic way to give your video a professional touch. So let's dive right in. First, open CapCut on your PC. If you haven't already, you can download it from the official website. Once you're in CapCut, import the video clip you want to add motion blur to. Just click on import and select your file. Then drag and drop your video in the first layer. Select the video. To add motion blur, click on the clip you want to enhance to select it. Then go to Effect menu. Now in Effect menu, go to the Lens option, click on it, and here search for motion blur. Here it is. Click on it. Simply drag and drop the motion blur effect on your selected clip in the timeline. With the motion blur effect applied, you can adjust its setting to get desired effect. You can control parameters like blur strength and direction and angles. Before finalizing, it's always a good idea to preview your clip with the motion blur effect applied. Make any further adjustment if you need until you are satisfied. Once you're happy with how it looks, it's time to export your video. Click on Export and choose your preferred export setting. And there you have it. You have successfully added motion blur to your video clip in CapCut on your PC. It's a fantastic way to add cinematic flair to your project. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more awesome editing tips and tutorials. If you have any question or need any suggestion, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.